bones make up an adult vertebral column? 26. What's that? 33 for what? Okay, for an infant? Alright. Infant 33, adult 26. The spinal cord usually tapers off at about what level?
L1,
L2. The two compensatory curves are which ones? Cervical and the lumbar, and that means the two primary curves are thoracic and sacral. Exaggerated lateral curvature is what? Scoliosis. Let me get to some difficult questions. Well, we didn't ask. What part of the intervertebral disc is composed of a semi-gelatinous material? Okay, nucleus pulposus. Okay, what are the three things that make most cervical vertebrae unique? Overlapping bodies.
transverse foramen,
Transverse foramen.
bifid spinous processes.
Bifid tip, or bifid spinous processes, good. Zygapophyseal joints, here we go. Zygapophyseal joints for typical cervical vertebra lie at about what angle from the mid-sagittal plane? 90 degrees, so you'd see them in what view? True lateral. Very good. Okay, the intervertebral joints for typical for the cervical vertebra lie at what angle? 45 degrees. So you see them in what views? The obliques. Okay. Specifically, RPO will show you which one.
The RPO, the left side will be up, so
Okay.
So left side.
the upside.
Okay, upside, left side.
Side away from the eye.
Side away from the image receptor. You'd all be right. And then the LAO would show you
Side down.
Down.
side down, left side, closest to image receptor.
Tuesday.
Alright, you guys are good with those. Sounds like you're pretty good. Make sure you study that if you're not good with that stuff. Key thing, study that stuff. Here's something we didn't cover real good. The ganglion, what level, if you've got your head in a neutral position, about what level does that correspond to? C3, good.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, the ganglion or the ganglion. What position demonstrates the zygapophyseal joints between C1 and C2?
Open mouth.
Open mouth, yes. So zygapophyseal joints of all the cervical vertebrae except for C1, C2 are going to see the lateral. Zygapophyseal joints for C1, C2 are demonstrating the AP open mouth. So make sure, don't read the question too fast tomorrow and skip the C1, C2 and just see common mistake I've had people make. What view shows cervical vertebra, zygapophyseal joints, they stop there, and then they put lateral, and then when we kept reading the questions, it said C1, C2. Don't make that mistake tomorrow. Say that again, the lateral and axial joints, you can see that. It's not the exact same joint as the joint between C1 and C2, but you can see the where the base of the skull. What's that? Yeah, the atlanto-occipital joint. That's where the
lateral. Is it called a lateral atlanto-axial?
Oh, that, yes. That's okay. I get too,
Is that the
yeah,
same as
that's the
like
same
the
thing.
okay.
I thought you were talking about where the
The
base of the skull.
occipital
That was the joint is looking.
Gotcha.
The other joint.
Alright, what position is going to demonstrate the intervertebral foramina on a thoracic spine the best?
What was the question?
What position is going to demonstrate the intervertebral foramina of the thoracic spine the best? Okay, lateral. And then the zygapophyseal joints would be demonstrated on
70, 75.
obliques, a 70 to 75 degree oblique specifically.